What if you could earn $100 a day using skills you already have, or skills you can learn for free? That's about $3,000 a month if you work every day. And no, you don't necessarily need a fancy office, expensive equipment, or years of experience. In this video, I'll show you how freelancing works, which skills can help you reach $100 a day, where to find clients, and a simple strategy you can use to get your first paying customer. Welcome to Cashflow Vault, your guide to online income. Let's get started. Freelancing simply means offering your skills and services to clients without being permanently employed by one company. A business might need someone to write an article, another might need a video edited. Someone else might need a logo, a website, social media posts, or virtual assistants. Instead of hiring a full-time employee, they pay a freelancer to complete the work. And here's the important part. You don't need 100 clients to make good money. You might only need a few clients paying you consistently. Let's make the $100 goal simple. You could complete 4 $25 jobs in a day. Or 2 $50 jobs. Or one $100 project. You could also work with monthly clients. For example, 5 clients paying you $600 per month would give you $3,000 in monthly revenue. The goal isn't necessarily to work more. The goal is to develop a valuable skill and find clients who are willing to pay for it. The first freelancing skill you can consider is writing. Businesses constantly need content for websites, blogs, newsletters, product descriptions, social media, and emails. If you're good at explaining ideas clearly, writing could be a good starting point. For example, you could offer blog articles, SEO content, product descriptions, email newsletters, social media captions, and website content. You don't have to start by charging $100 per article. Start by building samples and getting your first clients. As your experience and portfolio grow, you can increase your rates. Video editing is another skill with strong demand. YouTube creators, TikTok creators, businesses, coaches, and influencers all need videos, and you don't necessarily need expensive editing software. You can start with tools such as CapCut or other accessible video editors. You could offer services such as YouTube video editing, short-form videos, Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, adding subtitles, and creating simple promotional videos. For example, if you charge $25 for a short video and complete 4 videos, you've reached $100. Skill number 3 is graphic design. If you're creative, graphic design can become another freelancing opportunity. Businesses need thumbnails, social media graphics, flyers, posters, presentations, and advertisements. You can begin with simple designs using beginner-friendly tools. One particularly useful service is YouTube thumbnail design. A creator may need several thumbnails every month. That means one client can potentially become a recurring source of income. You don't have to be a designer or programmer to freelance. Virtual assistants is another option. A virtual assistant may help businesses with tasks such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, researching information, managing spreadsheets, uploading content, organizing files, and assisting with social media. If you're organized, reliable, and comfortable using basic computer tools, this could be a good place to start. Skill number 5 is social media management. Businesses know they need social media, but many business owners don't have time to manage it themselves. That's where social media freelancers come in. You could help a business create posts, write captions, schedule content, respond to comments, and track basic performance. Instead of thinking, "How can I make $100 today?" think, "How can I help a business make or save more money?" That mindset can dramatically change how you approach freelancing. Now you have a skill. But where do you find clients? You can look at freelance marketplaces such as Upwork and Fiverr. You can also find clients directly. Search for small businesses, YouTubers, bloggers, coaches, online stores, and content creators who could benefit from your service. And don't simply send, "Hello, do you need a freelancer?" Instead, identify a problem. For example, "I noticed your YouTube videos have strong content, but your thumbnails could be improved. I created a sample concept showing how I could make them more attention-grabbing. That's a much stronger approach, but what if you have no previous clients? Don't wait for someone to give you experience. Create your own samples. If you want to become a writer, write 3 sample articles. If you want to edit videos, create 3 sample videos. If you want to design thumbnails, create 5 sample thumbnails. If you want to become a social media manager, create a sample content calendar. Your portfolio doesn't need to contain dozens of projects. A few high-quality samples can be enough to demonstrate what you can do. Artificial intelligence is also changing freelancing. AI tools can help you brainstorm ideas, research topics, organize information, create first drafts, generate concepts, and speed up repetitive tasks. But don't make the mistake of simply copying AI-generated work and sending it to clients. Your value comes from understanding the client's problem, improving the output, checking accuracy, adding creativity, and delivering something useful. Use AI to become more productive, not to become careless. Here's a simple strategy for getting your first client. Step 1. Choose one skill. Step 2. Choose one type of customer. Step 3. Create 3 to 5 strong samples. Step 4. Create a simple portfolio. Step 5. Contact potential clients every day. And Step 6. Deliver excellent work when someone gives you an opportunity. Don't send 500 generic messages. Send fewer, personalized messages that show you understand the client's needs. When you're starting, you may need to charge less than experienced freelancers. That's okay. But don't stay at beginner prices forever. Once you have testimonials, experience, and better skills, increase your rates. Remember, you're not being paid only for the number of hours you work. You're being paid for the value you provide. A freelancer who can help a business generate more customers may be worth far more than someone simply selling hours. Here's one example of a simple $100 a day target. Spend 1 hour finding potential clients. Spend 3 hours completing paid work. Spend 1 hour improving your skill. And spend another hour creating portfolio content or marketing yourself. Your first goal may not be $100 per day. It could be $10. Then $25. Then $50. Eventually, you can work toward $100 or more per day. Progress is built one client at a time, and remember, freelancing is not a magic money-making shortcut. You may apply for many jobs before getting your first client. Some clients may reject your proposal. Some projects may take longer than expected. And unfortunately, scammers exist. Never pay someone simply because they promise to give you a freelance job. Be careful with requests for sensitive information, suspicious payments, or unrealistic promises. Focus on building a genuine skill and providing genuine value. The biggest mistake you can make is waiting until you know everything before starting. Choose one skill. Learn it. Practice it. Create samples. Find potential clients. Send personalized proposals. Get feedback. Improve. And repeat. You don't need to become an expert overnight. You just need to become useful enough that someone is willing to pay you. And that's how the journey toward $100 a day can begin. If you found this video useful, subscribe to Cashflow Vault for more practical strategies on making money online, freelancing, digital skills, and building additional income streams. And here's your challenge. Choose one freelancing skill today and spend the next 30 days developing it. Don't just watch videos. Take action. Your first client could be closer than you think. This is Cashflow Vault, your guide to online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.